This is a super trend, but not an ordinary super trend. This is a new version of super trend that has volume for more confirmation. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search super trend volume, this one, which is a new indicator from Big Beluga. Alright, this is the new volume super trend, and as you can see, it is overlaid on the price chart. This is an advanced indicator that combines traditional super trend with a normalized volume which is placed inside the bands, and this will help us to track volume activity alongside with the changes in the market trends. Just similar to the original version of super trend, we have a band here which adapts dynamically to the price movement. When the price is in an uptrend, the band is below the price and the color is green, and when the price is in a downtrend, the band is above the price and the color is purple. But here in this indicator we have another component which is normalized volume visualization, and as you can see inside the bands we have volume bars which are normalized, and they help us to measure the interest and intensity of market participation during trends. Here in the settings of the indicator you can change volume type to area, so instead of bars you will have area, which gives a smoother look of the volume activity in the market. We continue with the volume bars. Alright, as I said, these volume bars will help us to measure the level of interest and market participation during the changes that are happening in the market. The larger the bar, the higher is the volume, and so more level of interest in terms of buying or selling pressure in that time period. The volume is normalized and it will have values between 0 and 4 depending on the level of the volume. For the current candle of the chart, we have a label here that shows the level of volume for the current candle. As I said, it is between 0 and 4, and the more it is closer to 4, it shows more volume. In times that there is high volume for the time period, the volume bar becomes blue, and also a small blue dot is shown by the help of this indicator. When we have this situation, it shows in that time period we had high level of volume, and this feature helps us to identify significant changes that are happening in the market. As you know, when super trend changes color, it's a signal for potential reversal. Sometimes it's just a false signal, especially during flat market or in the pullbacks during trends, and sometimes it's a true signal for reversal and beginning of a new trend. And now in this indicator, this feature of volume will help us to confirm the reversals. In times that the super trend changes color and there is also a signal of high volume, there is more probability to have beginning of a new trend in compared to other times that there is no signal of high volume. For example, here when the super trend changed from green to purple, there is no signal of high volume. Or here when it changed from purple to green, also here there is no signal of high volume. But in this case here, at the moment that the super trend changed color, which is actually a bearish signal for having a downside reversal, you can see that we have also a signal of high volume. So here we have higher probability that the signal is correct and a downtrend is going to start, and you can see how the price turned to a downtrend. Within this downtrend, you can see that here we had a pullback, and this caused the super trend to become green. But you can see that we don't have any signal of high volume. So in practice, we don't take any action here. But here, when the super trend changed from green to purple, you can see that we have signal of high volume for several periods. So this is a confirmed signal that the price is going to decline more, and you can see how the price declined down to this point. After this, here again we have change of super trend but no volume confirmation, and again here we have change of super trend and again no volume confirmation. You can clearly see that this feature of volume and giving high volume signal helps us to filter the false signals and only take the signals that have higher probability of giving the expected result. Please pay attention that this setup and these volume confirmed signals should be used in a reversal trading strategy, which means you need more confirmation from other indicators or aspects of technical analysis that a trend is really forming on the chart, so you can decrease your risk as much as possible. To give you an example, here we click on indicators and we search RSI, this one, Relative Strength Index, and this indicator will help us with more confirmation of the signals. For example, here when we had this volume confirmed signal, you can see that RSI is below center line and also below its moving average line, which shows that the price is declining in a downtrend, so we have more confirmation that the price is going to decline more. Or another example here, for this volume confirmed signal that we had here, you can see that RSI is below the center center line and also below the moving average line, which shows decline of the price in a downtrend. So we have more confirmation that the price is turning to a downtrend. In this case, RSI is also showing bearish divergence, which tells us that the upside momentum is weakening and downside momentum is gaining strength, and this gives the possibility of reversal. So here we have even higher probability that we are going to have a reversal and a downtrend is forming on the chart. Another use case of this indicator is using it in a trend following strategy. When the indicator shows that a trend is forming with further confirmation of volume, then we can look for trading opportunities inside the trend when a pullback forms on the chart. To show you an example, here we click on indicators and we search stochastic, this one, which by the help of this indicator, we can find trading opportunities in the pullbacks. We need to change its settings. So here we go to the settings of the indicator, and here for K% length, we set it at 7, and for K% smoothing, we set it at 3, and for D% smoothing, 3 is okay. And also for SuperTrend, here in the settings of the indicator, we decrease the bands to 3, so it will be more responsive to the price action. All right, this is how we do it. When we got a volume confirmed signal of a trend and we know that a trend is forming on the chart by the help of the method that I explained earlier, after that, by the help of the stochastic oscillator, we look for trading opportunities in the pullbacks. For example, here we are in a downtrend, and in this situation, we wait for the times that the K% line, the blue line, goes above 80, and then when it crosses back below the D% line, the orange line, and when it is closed below 80, the sell signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit target at risk to reward ratio of 2, and you can see that this is a very profitable trade. Again, here you can see that D% line went above 80 and then it crossed back below the D% line, and here at this point it is closed below 80, so the sell signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high, and this is also a profitable trade as you can see. Here again the K% line went above 80, but at the moment that it is closed below 80, the super trend is already changed to green, so we don't take any action at this point. Moving on the chart, and in times that we have a volume confirmed uptrend, we do the opposite. We wait for the times that K% line goes below 20, and then when it crosses back above the D% line and when it is closed above 20, the buy signal is confirmed. Here we don't have the condition. From here again we are in a downtrend, so we should look for short position opportunities. At this point you can see that K% line went above 80 and then it crossed back below the D% line at this point and it is closed below 80 at this point, so the sell signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. And this is also a profitable trade because you can see that the price declined down to this point. Moving on the chart, another confirmed short position opportunity we have here. So in practice we would enter a short position at this point with the stop loss above the previous swing high, and this is also a profitable trade where the price declined down to this point. So in this method, which is a trend following strategy, first you identify a confirmed trend, which I explained earlier how you confirm with higher probability that a trend is forming on the chart, and then by the help of the stochastic oscillator with the settings that I explained, you can find trading opportunities within trends. Please pay attention that no indicator or trading strategy can give you 100% guaranteed signals. No matter how accurate is the indicator or your trading strategy, you will definitely encounter false signals, so you need to manage your risk properly if you want to be a consistently profitable trader. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's one of the best risk management strategies that you can use. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.